how to change the folder icons in Windows 11. For that purpose, I'm going to head over to my library and I'm going to select a specific folder and I'm going to right click on it and select the properties. Once I come up onto the properties, I'm going to head over to the customize section which is onto the last basic drop down, and from here I'm gonna go over to folder icons. Here I'm gonna select change icon, where I can change the display and customize all the different icons that I can choose from. This is almost like changing up an emoji basically. Let's just say I want to change not this one, actually I want to work with this one, right? I'm gonna right click on it once again, click on properties, head over to customize section right here, and click on change icon in the folder icons, and I'm gonna give this one this icon right here, and I'm gonna click on OK. So this is gonna change its settings, and then I'm gonna click on apply and click on OK, and that is gonna basically change the folder settings of the icon to the icon that I've selected.